Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the days of the week indicator for MT4 and MT5. To download the indicator, just check the description below. All right, whether you want to download the MT4 version or the MT5 version, just check the description below. After downloading the indicator, you head over to your indicators folder for your MT4 or MT5 platform, as the case may be. And then you get back to your navigator and refresh. All right. After that, you should find the days of the week indicator somewhere in your navigator. Just drag and drop. If you can't find the indicator, then you just have to restart your terminal and check again. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. Then you can see the various days of the week here with the respective colors, right? So this indicator aims to enhance your chart analysis, right? Aims to enhance your chart analysis. It's quite easy to use. As you can see, basically what it does is to just tell you what day of the week each candle falls under, right? So you can see that you can just easily know which day of the week the candle fall under, so long as you have the colors at the back of your mind, or you can just hover your mouse over it and you can see this is Monday. So all the candles that fell within here are Monday candles. Here we have the Tuesday candles, here we have all the Wednesday candles here, right? And then the Thursday candles. Okay, this is Wednesday, right? Okay, probably this was 26th. Okay, it was this was 24th. So Christmas Day, of course, there was no trading activity, so that is why. So this was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. Let's just go back to where there was no public holiday, shall we? Okay, so we can see Thursday. So this was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and it started again Monday, like that. Okay, so that is it for this indicator, guys. It just helps you to know the days of the week, what candles fall under the days of the week. You can just easily see that. And then, of course, you need a strategy to be able to execute buy and sell trades. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.